where innovation meets tradition and knowledge fuels the future of agriculture. Welcome to North India's rising hub of transformative education. Ranked among the top private universities in India and ICAR accredited with NAAC Grade A plus VGU's Faculty of Agriculture nurtures agri-professionals who are grounded in Indian roots and globally equipped.
I joined VGU with a passion for sustainable agriculture. Now I manage real-time hydroponics project and lead a student agri startup.
From fogponics to hydroponics, from poultry farming to post-harvest management, our experiential learning units make agriculture not just a subject, but a hands-on journey.
Our expert faculty collaborate with ICAR institution, global universities, agri-tech industries, ensuring real-world exposure and cutting-edge research.
Our NAP-based curriculum integrates minor degrees and skill enhancement courses, offering pathways in entrepreneurship, Indian knowledge systems, design thinking, and more. Here, it starts with you.